Hello, everybody, and a warm welcome to the amazing course of ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, we have two versions. One is standard version and one is plus member version. The plus member version it's cost to $200 per month and it allows two different things. One is that you can access to all the ChatGPT available modes. Second, and it is the significance mode there is a browsing. In reality, there are two types of browsings. One is 3.5 and 4. ChatGPT GPT-4 is the latest version and it includes web browsing as well. If you are using ChatGPT standard version, it will have a technology cut off date of September 2021, meaning it won't be able to access or refer events that happens after 2021. Now, not everybody has money to spend on ChatGPT. There is a Google plugin called Web ChatGPT. This is the plugin. I'll provide the link in the description. After downloading this plugin, you will navigate it to this page. Here, an extra bar will be added. In the previous, if we look here, there is no bar. After installing this plugin, we'll get this bar underneath of this. Let's check how this works. Shop news in 2023. We have searched for top news in 2023. It has prompted a message like it is having a cutoff date of September 2021 and it cannot access 2023 news. After installing the plugin, let's search here. Top news in 2023. Searching for the details in the web browser and see it has provided information. See, it has provided information on the date and time. This is how we can browse the latest things with the plugin called Web Chat GPT. Go and try it. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.